Are you looking for peace, quiet and serenity? Then look no further. This 4-bedroom 2.5 bath home was custom built and has only had one owner. Located in Laureldale and nestled in the woods, this home has a nice floor plan with a cozy front porch to have your morning coffee. The living room is a nice size with a wood-burning fireplace. Your IAC has newer appliances and corian countertops. There is a dining room and a screened-in porch too. The 4th bed is on the 1st floor and could also be used as an office/den. The 2nd floor consists of 3 beds and 2 full baths. The master suite is 18'4 by 13 feet 4 inches, with a decent-sized full bath. If you need more space, the full basement could be finished off, and there is a wood stove which keeps it very toasty and warm in the winter months. There is also an outside entrance to the basement. The seller had the roof replaced and installed a tankless HWH approximately 10 years ago. Though the home is maintained and in good condition, it is being sold in as-is condition. The buyer will